Welcome to West Virginia. All set?
All set.
Staying at home, turn off the phone.
When you're late and if there is nobody else to help you and you forget your stops, like you forgot to bring your firewood or don't listen to your friend on time,
You don't listen to me?
then you really have to like face the trouble yourself. So guys, we set up with our tent and we just did set up and then we have a fire now. So finally we are done setting up the tent, and then now we're gonna do the barbecue. So guys, good morning. Day 2 in West Virginia, and today I'm going to do whitewater rafting. Yesterday we came late, it was around 10 p.m. so faced some difficulties finding the campsites, and also we forgot to bring the light and woods. So we had only charcoal, no lights. We had to use the car's light to set up all the tent and set up everything. So day 2 we just did the rafting. It was fun. Please feel free to check my video for the rafting at Gauley River. So guys, it's raining all day and then it's kind of cold. You do camping on a rainy day. It's gonna be fun. I've been enjoying this environment so much. It's raining outside heavily, and as you can see, as you can hear the lot the raining sound, and I can let's from the mirror window. Let's create a window here and see it's raining. How was the rafting? सही मजा आउँछ नि। अब कस्तो थियो राफ्टिङ? बहुतै मजा आउँछ नि। एकदम मजा आउँछ कि त्यो अब त सधैँ आउँछ जस्तो लाग्छ। फेरि एकचोटि आउँछ जस्तो लाग्छ है। लोवर चाहिँ ठ्याक्क जहाँनिर अब अप्पर सकिन्छ त्यहाँ लोवर सुरु हुँदैछ। कस्तो भन्छ त नि क्याम्पिङ लाइफ, राफ्टिङ लाइफ? एडभेन्चर भइरहेछ अनि टक्क पानी परिरहेछ हैन। अहिले सुत्न मजा आउँछ के अब। Good morning guys, day 3rd. I just wake up and heading towards the bathroom. Bathroom is kind of like a little bit far. There's only one common bathroom near to the office, so wherever you camp you have to walk all the way to the common bathroom, and it's kind of like far. Takes around at least 5 minutes from your camp location. There is no any dedicated number or place where you allocated for you. All you have to do is book a campground, find the spot and set up your tent. So finally we are heading out from the campground, and